What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. For today's video, we'll be unboxing another affordable smartphone, but this time it's with Redmi. So this is the Redmi 14C, a $100 Android phone, which costs around 4,000 to 6,000 pesos here in the Philippines. The one that we got here is a starry blue color with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So we have here some other specs indicated. It does have a 6.8-inch LCD display with 120Hz of refresh rate. It does have also a bigger battery as well and do have some fast charging capabilities. So let's try to check other things included on the box. We have here a big power brick that supports up to 33 watts of fast charging and a USB-A to USB-C cable. We also have here the SIM ejector tool. We have some paper documentation. So we also have here a free transparent jelly case for the protection of your phone. Then we also have a huge box of a freebie from Xiaomi SM.Marine store. So shout out to them. So what we got here as a freebie is the Xiaomi orange bag. Well, this feels good and built well. It's not like a free cheap bag and the design is overall good. The orange color really stands out and more appealing on the younger generations. So mostly this will be used by my daughter. So that's one thing that I like in unboxing Chinese smartphones because they have a lot of freebies comparing to the Samsung Galaxy S Ultras and the iPhone Pro Max phones. Let's go back to the phone itself. Here's the Redmi 14C. What we got here is the starry blue color and it really looks good. It changed color in its design depending where the lights reflect. It looks premium as well for a $100 phone to be honest. It's also a huge phone and definitely have a weight on it. It does have this huge camera island which takes up 1/3 of its back. And it can deceive you that it have a quadruple camera setup, but it only have a dual camera setup. So let's try to remove its sticker to be able to see its full color at the back. And it really looks good. I normally don't like the blue color, but for its design, it's good and very unique. Let's try to turn it on and set it up. So I've set it up and so far it's good. First impression on its performance, it's fast but sometimes there are drop frames because of its processor. Its animations are fine as well but not that fluid comparing to the Oppo phones. For its price, its performance is acceptable so far. I've put the link where you can purchase this phone as well on the description. So I'll be testing this Redmi 14C in the coming few weeks for a full review. So that's my unboxing and first impression of the Redmi 14C. So thank you for watching my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.